Hello guys, welcome again to my channel, and today I want to show you how to change the folder icon from the yellow light envelope to any bitmap image. So to achieve this, we have two methods. Method 1, we'll be using the Windows icon files, and 2, we'll be creating our own icon file image, thereby using it to change the folder icon. Hello guys, welcome again. So let me show you how to change your folder icons. But first of all, let us create two folders in our desktop. Let me create this one, folder 1, and another folder here. So we have this folder, new folder 2, and the new folder 3. Just as I told you guys, we have two methods: one, using the Windows file icon files, and 2, creating our own bitmap file. So for method 1, the Windows files are already in our PCs. It comes with the Windows system. So just come to your folder, click onto it, move down to the properties, then the properties window will come. From the properties window, go to customize. From customize, we have a tab down here called change icon. Besides this, we have the default light yellow envelope. Just come to change icon, click onto it. The change icon window will come with preloaded Windows icon files. From here you can select which icon file do you want to use for your folder. For example, I choose this for a multi-user folder, the user's icon, then just click OK. You can see it has changed from here, but we have to click OK so that it shows from the folder we are changing. You can see from here the folder has changed from the light yellow to the Windows icon file we just selected. For the other method, guys, we need to first create a bitmap image. But how do you create a bitmap image? Let me take you straight to doing it. Let us locate another image. Let me locate an image from here. Okay, let me choose this, copy it in the desktop. Guys, this is a JPEG file, but remember, we want to change the JPEG to a bitmap. How do you do it? It is very simple. Just right click onto the file, come to open with paint. Remember, this is a software that comes with your Windows system. From here, just come to file, then save as. From save as, you just come to BMP picture right here. So just click onto it, then give it a name and the directory where you want it to be saved. Let me call it icon 2. Icon 2. I'll still save it in the desktop. Just click save. But guys, it seems too big. Let me reduce the size a bit to something maybe lower, something like 70 lower pixels. 70. Then you just save. So we have created an image, a bitmap image, which we want to use as our folder icon. The image is this one here. This is a BMP file, that is a bitmap file. So just come to the folder you want to change its icon, right click, repeat, that is go to properties, then customize, change icon. But from here we don't select it, don't select the list of icons already here, but we come to browse. Then from browse, it will take us to the directory where you saved our bitmap file. I saved it in the desktop, it is right there. So I change it from here. The icon files is not listed in the desktop. So what do? We change this one from icon files to all files, so that we have our icon file here, the bitmap file we just created, which is right here. Just select it, then click open. You will see it loaded. Click OK, do OK, and see the folder changing its image from the light yellow to the bitmap image we've just created. This is now a folder. You can use it to save your documents or any other thing. Guys, it is just as simple as that. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell, and comment.